When we started the Indigenous mapping workshop, the goal was to create a safe space for Indigenous peoples to come together, to learn, to share with one another, and to advance Indigenous pedagogies of mapping and GIS. And so for us, it was really about creating a community of Indigenous mappers.
Definitely think one of the highlights is meeting different people from different areas that are doing very similar types of things, and how we can better support each other in that space and creating that network that, you know, if we do have questions or if someone's doing something else in someone else's country, that we're able to, you know, connect with each other.
It's all about growing the community and inspiring them and to see what's actually happening outside of your community. So, you know, sharing that knowledge, sharing that excitement and energy and things that they can aspire to. So, yeah, growing that community really through the use of mapping as a vehicle visualising your cultural heritage.
Yeah, my highlight was probably in the first session. I really enjoyed the idea of like deadly data versus poor fella data, as they put it in the workshop. I'm definitely guilty of making poor fella data in the past, and I really liked that framing. I thought it really resonated with a lot of people in the room.
So the session that I've been really happy and content to attend is mainly based on story mapping. Training has provided in a very simplistic way, so that we could actually participate and have hands-on practical learnings, as well as sharing and listening to other colleagues in the room.
I discovered the opportunity to volunteer as a teaching and training assistant, and I really was excited for that. Not just because I'd get to help a bit at the event, but also that I would be learning so much.
A lot of the mapping is really good with GeoNadir, QGIS and ArcGIS and whatnot. There's a few quality of life tools that some have that makes it so much more easier, more kid friendly, like for me, you know. Just working with Google Earth and whatnot is really handy.
It's been really exciting to see also the international collaborations that have come out of IMW this year, working with our partnership with NASA and Firelight Group, and also the Digital Navigators from New Zealand. It's been an excellent knowledge sharing opportunity for us, and I think it's really highlighted that Indigenous people across the globe have impact in a variety of spaces, and we have a shared experience even though we're all different, and that's been really beautiful for me to see this year.
Yeah, it's pretty cool looking at Google Earth Pro, looking at my community where I grew up. Didn't have not much trees, but now there's more trees and a bit more greener in the community around the community, you know? Yeah.
One of the joys of this workshop was to see, you know, some of our earliest trainees who've come through our trainee program, like teaching, you know, at intermediate level. It's just like one of my real proud moments of running this company. But yeah, the partners that we have and the trainer partners as well have been an amazing addition to our already great group.
It's been a great learning experience. You learn every day and whatnot. They've been absolutely fantastic, and to all you folks out there, if you want to do this, please sign up. This is so beneficial for you, me and all of us Aboriginal people throughout the whole of Australia and all folks all around the world.